We have the 2021 Audi E-tron. This vehicle has done just over 80,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the first page of our screen, we have radio, smartphone integration and navigation. As we slide across, we can access our vehicle settings, phone apps and favourites, and on our final page we can access our users, messages and purchases. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.